This is a quick unboxing. Quick because I'm just gonna be very straight to the point. You have the GPS mount, and then you have this main unit. Smaller than what I thought. Wow, that's cool. When you compare it to the Pro, so it's pretty. I mean, yeah, you can see. So the one is slightly taller, one's a little larger. Okay, what else? I think you got the typical connection guides. Why does it feel like these things been opened before? So you have the looks like it's the same exact stuff that you have in the Nexar Pro, to be honest with you. You have this, yeah. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing. I'll take a couple of sample videos. See all the wordings I have here. Oh, what's this? I have no idea what this is. Maybe the GPS, whatever. Safe driving, and then these are the booklets, the 1, 2, and 3. There you go. All right, and there you have it.